everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is BB and today I'm going to show you how I achieve this flawless base using Amicole products. And I'd like to go ahead and thank Amicole for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be working with them to showcase some of their products and how I achieve this flawless base. And I also wanted to mention that they are now available at Sephora, so you will be able to shop them during the Sephora sale. And if you are a VIB Rouge, you can start shopping on April 14th through April 24th to get 20% off. If you are VIP, you can start shopping April 18th through April 24th to get 15% off. And if you're an insider, you can shop from April 18th through April 24th as well to get 10% off. I'm really excited that Amicole is now in Sephora, so you can go in Sephora and actually swatch their products and try them out and see, what would work for you. So it's really exciting, and I'm really happy to see that they are now more accessible through Sephora. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The two most important products in my flawless base routine are the Amicole Skin Enhancing Tint and the Amicole Skin Enhancing Concealer. I have both of them in the shade Deep 2, and I love the Skin Enhancing Tint because it gives a really beautiful natural satin finish to the skin, and it just really gives you a beautiful even skin tone. It's not meant to mask the skin or really cover up your skin. It's meant to really enhance your natural complexion, and that's what I love about this product. So I just went ahead and put some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to dot it all over. And I'm going to go in with the complexion brush from Amicole as well. Just buff that into the skin. As you can see, there is a slight blurring effect that this product does give the skin. The Skin Enhancing Tint does come in 6 thoughtfully designed shades to complement a range of skin tones, and I love how Deep 2 really complements my undertones. Now I'm gonna go in with the Skin Enhancing Concealer in Deep 2 as well, and like I said, these two products really play a vital role in that flawless base. You just want to make sure you're using products that are really complementing your skin tone and really kind of giving you that lit from within look. And to me, a flawless base is a balanced, even skin tone with lightweight products because that's what I feel most comfortable in. I'm going to go ahead and blend out the concealer with the Amicole concealer brush. This is the perfect little brush for this little nook of the eye area. And it just blends it out beautifully. As you can see, this concealer has some pretty good coverage. It is medium to full, so you are gonna get a really nice, coverage out of the Skin Enhancing Concealer. And this one comes in 12 shades. The Deep 2 Duo really complements my complexion so well, and I just love how even it makes my skin look to really help me achieve that flawless base. I do like to go in with just a bit of concealer around the mouth where I do have some more discoloration, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with the complexion brush as well. And since Deep 2 in the Skin Enhancing Concealer is just slightly lighter than the Skin Enhancing Tint in Deep 2, it really kind of just gives me a little bit of a brightening effect in those areas where I do experience some more discoloration. I went ahead and placed just a bit of the Skin Enhancing Concealer right here in the middle of my forehead and right here on a blemish as well, just to show you that it does cover up blemishes really well. My flawless base routine does include a blush, and usually it's more of a warm brown toned blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Desert Date Cream Multi-Stick in Dune from Amicole. I'm going to be using the complexion brush again, and I'm just going to pick the blush up right from the tube here, product there, and I'm going to just go right in on the high points of my cheeks. And this is such a beautiful, like, warm brown shade and exactly what I look for in a blush color. I feel like it suits me really well and just complements, again, my complexion. And I feel like that's what a flawless base is. Just really finding products that complement your complexion and will help you achieve a really balanced and even tone look, and then just accentuating and enhancing, you know, the beauty that you already have. But just a bit on the sides of the nose here. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows with the On Point Precision Brow Pencil, black #1. It's a really soft brow pencil. You don't have to use a lot of force to get some good color payoff. I like to do my brows just to kind of help frame my face, but I also don't want them to be the focal point. The focal point of a flawless base is your base, your face, you know, so I don't want to go too heavy on the brows. I want them to be light and airy to just kind of help frame the face a bit, not to really take away. I do really like a slick brow, so I'm gonna go in with the Amicole Ultra Flex Brow Shaping Gel just to give my brows some hold here. Fluff them up a bit as well. Just to make the cheeks pop a bit more, I'm gonna go in with the Amicole Light Catching Highlighter in Glaze. With the Amicole Lip Treatment Oil in the shade Bliss. This is a beautiful, like, baby pink. And if you're already familiar with this formula, it's the exact same as the original. I'm gonna go in with a coat of the Lash Amplifying Mascara from Amicole as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on just a little bit of mascara on the ends of my lashes because, again, this is a flawless base routine, so I don't want to really take away from my base makeup and like have the eyelashes doing a whole lot. I want them to be very subtle and wispy. So I'm gonna focus the mascara just right here on the ends. I really hope you all enjoyed watching me create this flawless base makeup using Amicole. I really love how Amicole's products just really enhance my natural beauty and my natural complexion and just really help me find a beautiful, balanced, flawless base. And I can't do it without the skin enhancing tint and the skin enhancing concealer. Those are really the top two crucial products when it comes to achieving that flawless base, and I always love how my makeup turns out when I use them. I mean, it's just, what else can I say? It's gorgeous. This is me in a makeup look. Please let me know what you think down below, and if you've been interested in trying out Amicole, don't forget that you can shop them during the Sephora VIB sale. I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch y'all next time.